cloud to come, satellite pictures taken during today. Now with that thicker cloud we've got some more rain in the next 24 hours. But today's temperatures really have been very respectable indeed. Bear in mind at this time of year the average is about 10 or 11 degrees, while we've seen exceeding values to that over most parts of Britain during this afternoon. In fact as high as 14 or 15 degrees over northern England up into eastern parts of Scotland, and you can see there London right at the bottom of the list. Well, tonight's temperatures are going to be about those sort of values, 8 to 10 generally, so a very mild night, but a windy one too. The lowest temperature, the exception being the northeast of Scotland, where it could get down to about 4 or 5 for a time. There's also more rain to come. You can see some pretty heavy rain at the moment over those central parts of Scotland. Some heavy rain leaving Kent, and more rain now developing over southwest England, running up into Wales and the Irish Sea. So more rain coming across during the course of this evening and tonight. The heavier rain's always likely to be in the west, and it will turn very misty too around western coasts and hills. Tomorrow then, this weather system wriggling its way across those central parts for much of the day, and that's where the heaviest rain's likely to be. Starting off, in fact, cloudy in most parts, with rain in the wind. Some brighter weather, though, never too far away from the far north of Scotland. And you'll find that brighter weather eventually moving south during the course of the afternoon, eventually getting into Northern Ireland and most of Scotland by this time tomorrow. Now on the other side of the coin, over some central and eastern parts of England, you'll find the cloud breaking, where you've got shelter from that southwesterly wind, so places like the east of Wales, maybe the Western Midlands, Lincolnshire, East Anglia for a time should see a few sunny breaks, and it's in those areas where you'll probably see the highest temperatures tomorrow. But eventually we'll find colder weather coming down from the northwest, and not only colder weather, it'll also turn very windy with gales, even severe gale force winds over northwest Highland tomorrow night. That means to say gusts up to 70 miles an hour in that part of the world, with the showers turning wintry. But the afternoon temperatures tomorrow looking like this, about 12 to 15 degrees generally, really very mild indeed for the time of year. A straightforward run of showery winds coming across during Thursday and into Friday. Most of the showers and the windy weather up in the north, the best of the shelter, most of the sunshine in the south and the east. Little technical hitch though perhaps on Friday, a little rain in the southwest. And that's it from me.